33-inch.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
33-inch. Steve Mead's got a set in his house. I'm the only one in the car right now.
That's wild. All the batteries are in the sides and the back?
Yeah, so these are my Big Jeff 22 amp, which first time we did like a big system with. They do real well in regular stuff, but they've been holding up perfect.
Wow.
2012s, and these are the new Riots, yeah. All
one per sub?
Yeah.
That's insane. And the boxes come all the way back to here?
Yeah, pretty much to the end, yeah.
Okay.
It actually goes down too to get some more airspace. So it went down.
Underneath?
Yeah, and then we did some outside street. Just fill it up.
Who built this?
This was done by a company in Ocala called Extreme Car Audio.
Okay, I've heard of them. Yeah. Wow.
We're gonna seal this off, lose a lot, and then close the doors up, but we'll seal that off, and then the inside.
Okay.
Just a couple more things.
Yeah. This looks good, Jeff. Whoa. Wow.
3 mech men on it. The new excess power Titan that can go under the hood, but that's just running the factory side. Okay. And then I'm running the Big Jeff 22 amp batteries, like I think 10 of them.
Wow. Yeah, I don't think I've ever sat in a system with two 32s. Only one 32, but not two.
33.
Oh, they're 33s?
The ones with them.
Okay, so I've never heard of 33 then.
33.
Wow. That extra inch. What's up?
It's not even fully tuned. I only got it back 2 days ago. So we still have to seal it off and then tune it up.
Okay.
So right now it's pretty much just tuned by ear.
Yeah.
So,
Man.
Yeah, we're giving them like 6,000 a piece right now.
You got to turn down. That's insane.
But, you know, these really ain't made to do that, but they sound so good.
Yeah.
Man. It's just clean.
That's a big magnet, man.
6-inch coil.
Jeez. What do these things retail?
$5 grand.
Wow. I
More
don't.
for the size, because each one's got to be palleted. Those are hand built over in Denmark, and then they come here.
Okay.
We're hand building these smaller X2Cs here,
Yeah.
but it's not a common thing. So that's actually a 3-piece. I mean, it's crazy.
It's insane. Never seen something like this. Hey, thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
You had to go big, didn't you, man? I mean, you went big.
Well, it was the thing of saying something's got to stand out.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, the guys that do the big builds I give respect for.
Yeah.
But, you know, this is just always my vehicles are something to stand out for shows. Everybody come by has been like, oh, those 28s or 30s or, you know. And it's like
I thought it was a 32, but a 33.
Right, 33, and that's where it gets everybody.
Yeah.
Still smelling like a brick, smelling like a brick, like a brick, like
seal it off and then tune it up.
Okay.
So right now it's pretty much just tuned by ear.
Yeah.
So,
Man.
Yeah, we're giving them like 6,000 a piece right now.
You got to turn down. That's insane.
But,
Appreciate it, Jeff. You have a good day, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop